Hi, it's Belle from Made It Mine. Today I'm making a happy birthday sign using glitter cardstock. The first thing I need to do is create my design in Design Space. I start with a text and just doing the first letter, H. I'm changing the font and the height of the letter to about 12 centimeters because I know that's how high I want each letter to be. I'm then going to change the colour just because I'm hoping to make it a pink shade and that will help with my visual design. I'm using a circle shape and I'm going to make it 0.15 and I'm going to put it in the top left and right hand area of the letter. I'm then going to attach these three shapes together so that they don't shift and move. Now I know this first letter is set, I'm going to use it to create the other letters for the happy birthday sign. I do this by duplicating the letter, editing it to the next letter, which is A, and then I'm going to adjust the circles to the new positions that I want. I then repeat this process for all the other letters in the sign. I placed the glitter cardstock face down on the light blue mat. You'll see why this didn't work and I ended up using a purple mat. You'll notice I do put the glitter cardstock face down. I do this because I find I get a cleaner cut. After all that, I was finally ready to start, and so I loaded the mat and I followed the prompts in Design Space. For this project there are 18 letters in total, so I did need to do a few different mats. When lifting the letters off the mat, I use the spatula tool. I would recommend using this when you don't want your letters or your cardstock to curl. When I was ready to thread my letters on the string, I placed them in the order I want, making sure I had the alternate colours. I did this to firstly make sure I had the right colour order and also not to make a spelling mistake. Once all the letters were threaded onto the string, I then separated each letter equal distance, and then I used these small dot stickers to secure the string at the back. I find this is a really good way to avoid the letters shifting or sliding when you actually hang the bunting. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please like and subscribe below to support me and Made It Mine videos.